Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. I'm not at home, I'm back at the office. Today is Thursday, June 4th, and just kind of had a busy morning and ended up here at the office, and I haven't gotten into my planner yet. I had a few things I knew I needed to get done this morning, so I did those, but I need to kind of touch base and just see where I'm at with everything. So let's go ahead and get into some planning for today. All right, so here we are, that first week of June. Let's see. I did deliver orders. I did not have time to stop by the hardware store and get toilet parts, and I actually need to probably take a picture and get some measurements before I even know what to get. I did vacuum the entry rugs yesterday, so that was good. And let's see. Exterior windows, no, I didn't really work on the porch, but we did finally get my daughter's room a little better before bedtime last night. Okay, and I did send cards yesterday, so that is done. I did some customer follow-up this morning, so I feel pretty good about that. I did work out this morning, so I can't remember if I did my daughter's book this morning, so I know I did it yesterday, but before I check it off for today, I want to make sure I have it written in there when I get home. I did read yesterday, and this morning I worked out. I didn't read this morning. Yesterday I did go for a little walk with my daughter, so that was good. Let's see, this morning I did the morning energy routine, which just got my day off to a great start, and I'm really glad that I did that. And it's one of those things, I know how good it is for me. It only takes 5 minutes, and yet I just keep getting busy and pushing it off and don't do it. We did our load of laundry yesterday. I've got the load in the dryer at home waiting for me for today. I did not swish and swipe today, so I could do that when I get home in the other main bathroom. I did the daily focus, the anti-procrastination. I did that yesterday, and today is technically errand day, but I also did some bill pay and stuff like that, so I'm gonna call that good enough. We definitely decluttered yesterday, so that was good. All right, so let's move on. Did I work on anything else? I did work on planning social media. I feel pretty good about that, between my Jordan Essentials stuff and just working on videos for you guys. And I need to find out, so I'm actually going to add this to my communications, my contacts here. I think my sister had a good company she used to put a few of their favorite DVDs or VHSs onto DVD, so I'm going to ask her about that and make sure I remind myself to do that. Okay, that'll just remind me that. Okay, so let's take a look here. So yesterday we did drop off recycling. I did pay bills and do the cards. I still haven't talked to my husband about the birthday plan, so I'm gonna transfer that again because I just need to sit down with him and figure it out. And okay, then okay, let me go through. We did the recycling, we did pick up in my daughter's room, I did pay bills, I sent cards, I sent a get well card to Ellen, I did the 15-minute hotspot, didn't do any windows, didn't work on the Christmas journal. We actually washed her sheets today, since yesterday, what was yesterday? Wednesday. I think I just finished up the towels. I don't think, well, so then I really shouldn't check that off there. I can't remember if I did a load of colored clothes yesterday. I don't think I did actually, so that's okay. Just some days, some weeks are like that. I did vacuum and mop our master bedroom. Excuse the little friend flying around there. this is supposed to be rugs, not woods. I don't know. Probably distracted when I was writing that. And we actually, we talked to my daughter's grandma, my mother-in-law, but I did not call my grandma, so I would like to add that. I'm gonna go ahead and say that was call a friend. That works. All right, so let me get my highlighter and we'll get started finishing up things for today. And I'm thinking too, as I do this, about my gratitude for yesterday. Feels like this week is kind of flying by, but at the same time I've done a lot. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I'm feeling kind of tired and like it should be the end of the week. I'm glad tomorrow's Friday. It's just been a busy week, so that's okay. Isn't that funny how even though so many things are still canceled right now, and you know, my workload is lighter, I'm not going into one of my part-time jobs because they're just getting back open, and my husband's schedule has been changing so much I can't really say when I'm available, so they have plenty of help and coverage right now since it's the summer and there's kids home from school. So I said, just give all those kids the hours. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do, so I'll have to just keep you posted for the fall. But anyway, somehow my days fill up with things still, even though there's not as much going on. So, all right, so I'm gonna, right at the top of my list, add the birthday plans that we need to figure out. And then, all right, so that's that. And then the windows, so let's see, today's Thursday. When I get home, I do need to cook dinner. So realistically, what I could get done is, I know for sure I need to fold a load of laundry. That's, actually, let me say make bed, because really what we need to do is put the sheets back on my daughter's bed, and then there's just a handful of things in there to fold. So we'll say make A's bed. And I'm gonna give myself the extra to-do item to be able to check off when I fold those other items in that wash load. And just trying to think about how much time and energy I will have when I get home. So I don't really know if I'll have the energy to work at my desk a whole lot more. So let's try to do either the windows or the fans might be good. I could do that in 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put porch fans on there, especially if it's kind of nice out. We had a nice rainstorm and thunderstorm last night, so everything's kind of damp. Oh, I know, one of the things I needed to do today was plant flowers. We picked some up yesterday while we were out running errands because I had some coupons and gift cards that needed to be used up, so that's already been done. What else? It seems like there was more that I did this morning, but now I can't remember. All right, so I'm gonna just add up here these priorities. Making her bed, that's gotta be done before bedtime. Oh, I know, so why don't I just put measure toilet, and that will remind me to get whatever information I need to try and buy the right parts. And I'm gonna make that a priority, because then tomorrow I think we'll be coming through town, so I could potentially stop and get that. And I do need to get maybe just a couple bags of mulch for the areas that I just planted flowers, so we'll see if I get that done or not. But okay, porch fans, I just did that. I haven't really decluttered, but I'm trying to think if I need to. I'll leave it on there for now. I may not end up doing it, but that's okay. All right, so then let's do a little bit of gratitude. Always a nice thing to stop and do. And that pen I was using, that wasn't working well. Okay, so yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get for right now. So what's on my menu for tonight? Tacos. I think I have everything. Should be good. I might double check. My husband's home right now with my daughter, so I think I'll text him and just confirm that I have the hamburger thawed. I thought I did, but now I'm trying to remember and it's fuzzy, so I want to make sure I did remember to pull that out of the freezer. And if not, if he gets it out now, then we should be fine for dinner. Okay, so next week is going to be zone 2, and I'm already kind of looking ahead and thinking about some things I need to do. And let's see what's on here. I think that's good. We're going to leave it at that. And I'm going to count the get well card to my neighbor Ellen. That's going to be our act of kindness for the week. Okay, I think that's it for me for this Thursday. So hopefully you enjoyed getting to see a little bit more of my planning process and how things go. So I have a nice little list of things to do when I get home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 items. So wouldn't that be fun if I could check everything off? And then maybe tomorrow, you know what, I might go ahead and call Grandma on here. If I call her first thing when I get home, like maybe while I'm prepping dinner, that might be nice. I know she's usually ready for bed about 8, so I don't want to wait too late, but oops, and this needs to be a transfer. Anyway, so yeah, that's my Thursday planning. Hard to believe that tomorrow is Friday. We've already gone through almost a full week, but I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and stay tuned for more planning with me tomorrow. And if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below this video. But other than that, I hope you have a great day. I'm sending you my love and well wishes, and I'll look forward to talking with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.